All the clips in the hazard perception test have at least one developing hazard in them, but one of the clips has two. Click the mouse button when you see a developing hazard. This is something that would cause you to take action, like changing speed or direction. The red flag at the bottom of the screen shows your click has been registered. You can score up to 5 points for each developing hazard. But don't worry, you won't lose points for clicking on other things, even if they don't develop into a hazard. Don't just click on everything in the clip though, or click in a pattern, because you'll see a warning message and you won't score any points for that clip. Let's look at the clip again. This time we've highlighted the things you should have been aware of. The yellow circles are potential hazards. These are things you need to be aware of, but they don't actually cause you to take action, so they're not developing hazards and you wouldn't be scored on them. This red circle is a developing hazard. You can see that you need to take action here and would be scored from this point through to this point. So, concentrate and click when you need to take action.